Hey guys, I wanted to create a quick video on the absolute worst foods that you can consume with the highest glycemic index, okay? Puff rice cakes, 132. These are consumed as a diet food. Wow, it's one way to get fat. Cornflakes, I think this is another diet food, isn't it? It's like people are consuming cornflakes to lose weight. 121. Jelly beans, 117. Pancake mix, okay? Wow. Potato bread, 103. Bagel, 101. Dates, 100. Taco shells, 97. White rice, 98. Honeydew melon, 93. All right? So, unfortunately, anything over 70 is high, so these are like off the charts. So go ahead and type in the comment section which one of these is your favorite or you have consumed a lot growing up as a child. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Keep spreading the word and share this video.